Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to show you how I cook my spinach sauteed with tomatoes, and if you guys are ready, we are going to get started. So to get started with this recipe, we are going to need 1 whole tomato and a half, and also a third of a yellow onion, as you guys can see over here. And you want to go ahead and chop it however you want it. If you want, you can dice it, or you can chop it the way I chopped it. It doesn't matter. And the tomatoes, I just went ahead and diced them, because at the end of the day, we are going to just make sure that our tomatoes are well sauteed and they become paste-like. That's the whole point of this recipe. After prepping your tomatoes and your onions, you're going to start stir frying. You want your pan to be on medium high and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. After the oil has heated up, go ahead and add your tomatoes and a little bit of your onions, or you can add all of it if you want, but I like to save my onions at the end. So you want to go ahead and just stir fry your tomatoes until they become a paste-like, and this is going to take you maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure your pan is like on medium low. And then the next ingredient that we're going to add is our tomato paste. And this is 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. I'm going to continue stir frying it until all our ingredients look like they were all mixed. Like right over here. Then you can go ahead and start adding your spinach. I'm adding about 10 ounces of spinach. And guys, of course, the pan looks like it was small, but when that spinach shrinks down, it is going to look like a little bit. So right over here, I am going to add a 1/4 cup of water just to help steam the spinach so that it can shrink. So over here, I'm going to add a lid so that my spinach can steam a little bit more faster. So after steaming for a few minutes, you want to go ahead and continue mixing all your ingredients, making sure that they're sauteed so well. And our next ingredient is just going to be our pink salt, and I'm just going to grind in just a little bit of that pink salt. So for this recipe, pink salt is not required. I'm just adding this kind of salt because that's my grandma's favorite salt to eat. And we're going to continue over here steaming by adding extra water, which is another 1/4 cup of water. Now, you don't have to add another 1/4 cup of water, but I added my 1/4 cup of water because I wanted to make sure that my recipe is grandma friendly. That means it has to be soft. So I went ahead and added a lid on there and continued the same process of steaming. For a few minutes, I took off the lid and then continued stir frying as usual, or sauteing my vegetables. So our last ingredient to complete this recipe is a few fresh onions on top. Trust me, it makes a difference. It gives it that fresh taste. I don't know how to call it, but I love it when I put fresh onions in the spinach, especially when I saute tomato spinach. It tastes so good. So I just want to say thank you for watching this channel. If you are new, I just want to say thank you for subscribing and joining this channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.